This is a quick video tutorial explaining how to make sure your computer can view Wi-Fi networks. First, go down to the system tray and left-click on the network icon. It'll look like a computer monitor with a little plug to the left of it. As you can see, there are no Wi-Fi networks available. On Windows 8, this will look slightly different, as a pane will slide out from the right of the screen to show any available Wi-Fi networks. If you can't see any Wi-Fi networks, right-click on the network connection icon again and select Open Network and Sharing Center. On the left-hand pane, you will see writing that says Change Adapter Settings. Click on this. As you can see, the wireless network connection here has been disabled. Right-click on it and select Enable. After a few moments, the wireless network connection will enable itself. In some cases, wireless network connection might be called something else, such as Wi-Fi. If we now go back down to the networking icon in the system tray and left-click it, you will see that a bunch of Wi-Fi networks are now available.